Hi friends, it's Melissa. Let's do a laundry reset together today, start to finish.
If you have laundry to do also, let's do it together.
I want to start off by filling this container with my new laundry detergent. I had this old container, I just held on to it because my new laundry detergent comes in a big gallon jug. So I thought I would just repurpose my old container and pour in my new laundry detergent into this container. My new detergent is Dr. Bronner's Sal Suds, and it doesn't come in like a normal laundry detergent container, at least the one I bought. So I just figured put it in this other container so it's easier to pour in and out of the little cup when I want to do my laundry.
I even took the sticker on the side of the gallon container and put it on my old container. I figured I'd do a little wipe down of the top of the washer and the dryer, starting to get dusty, have some soap drips on it, just needed a little bit of a cleanup. As you can see, the little knob on my washer is missing. It broke a long time ago. I need to get that replaced. I like to get the washer going, so then that way it's working while I'm doing everything else. I go to grab my basket and Rue is inside, rolling around, getting all cozy. He's so cute and fluffy. Does anyone else's cat do this? Alright, so this is my first basket. I'm starting with my whites. I like folding the whites because I feel like I've made progress quickly. Towels are my favorite to fold. They stack up and it instantly looks organized. I'm doing a little separating first. I'm separating my towels from my husband's white t-shirts and my washcloths. I just do simple folds. It may seem like I fold my laundry different than you, but this just is what works for me, and I noticed it kind of helps get the wrinkles out if these white t-shirts have been sitting in a basket for a while. I'm not trying to make it perfect, I'm just trying to get it done. Okay, basket number 2 of whites. I'm already halfway done with my whites. I'm just going to start off the same way, separate my towels from the white t-shirts from washcloths. Okay, I'm almost done with the whites. I'm just stacking up my husband's white t-shirts. Like I said, it's not perfect, but I'm getting it done. All right, this is basket number 3. This is mainly my son's clothes. He goes through so many clothes in a short period of time. He's definitely in the stage where he somehow needs 3 outfits a day. Are there any other moms that feel like their kids go through extra clothes that are unnecessary? Like they wear so much more than you do in the same amount of time? Okay, a quick speed fold session so we can get through this. Okay, a quick little cat break, then we're finishing up. Basket number 4, the final basket. This is some more of my son's clothes and some of my clothes. After I'm done with my final basket, then I will put everything away at once. This helps prevent me from having to go back and forth. I always do socks last. I always find it to be kind of tedious separating and folding socks. Sometimes I don't fold them at all. I'll let them sit in a pile on the couch for another day until I get to them. I like the part when I start putting it away, because that means I'm close to being done with the laundry. Today, I did not want to just leave the laundry in the baskets folded. I really wanted to get it all put away so everything's officially done. Okay, that's it for today's laundry reset. Everything is folded, put away, and we have the best part, the empty basket and the clean couch. Thanks for hanging out with me. If this gave you a little motivation, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.